In this video, I'll show you how to send money as friends and family on PayPal. So you first need to head over to the PayPal application or website and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, you can click on the send button right at the bottom here, and using the search box at the top, we just need to select the contact that we want to send this money to. You can either type in their username, email address, or if you already have the contact saved, then you can select them from your list. From here, you just need to select the amount that you want to send this person. I'm just going to send them 1p. You can choose to attach a message to this payment. I'm just going to leave this blank and hit next. Then you need to select the bank that you want to send this money from and then go ahead and select next. Now underneath your payment option, you'll have this option to select friends and family. So the main difference between these two transactions is that goods and services require a small fee in order to make the transaction, and it's also protected by buyer protection. Friends and family require no transaction fees to send the money, but it isn't protected by buyer protection. So all you need to do here is select for friends and family, and then you can go back. Now it's worth mentioning that in some countries you won't be able to send money as friends and family due to certain laws and restrictions, but as long as you're in an eligible country, you can just go ahead and press the send button, and just like that, you've now sent the money as family and friends. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.